RJC Industrial Co. Ltd. was located in Shenzhen, China since 2002. RJC now has offices in the United States. RJC American Inc., which can serve the full range of clients. As a professional manufacturer, who is engaged in engineering service and technical manufacturing such as rapid prototyping, plastic injection molding, export mold, and CNC machining, and now RJC owns an independent industrial area of over 15,000 square meters and will continue to expand. All experienced engineers, masters, and technicians are committed to providing thoughtful service and strict quality control of production. The workshop has more than 70 CNC machining machines and more than 70 injection molding machines. Not only is the number of equipment in the workshop huge, but also the machining tolerance can reach +0.1 millimeters. RJC has an excellent team focused on technical sales, service engineering, process development, program management, production management, and quality control management. In the meantime, RJC has passed the qualification of IS 09001, IAT F16949, ISO 13485, and FDA, which enables us to serve customers in dedicated industries. The value of RJC is rapid, joyful, creative. The vision is to become a leader in the field of custom manufacturing. RJC's service has been widely praised in the US and Europe, whether seeking OEM services or engineering support for applications. Customers can discuss the procurement needs or new ideas with the technical service team.